In the heart of Yaba, where knowledge and innovation continue to shape Nigeria's future, stands a school whose story has inspired generations. St. FINBARR'S College, Akoka, Yaba.
St. FINBARR'S College, Akoka, my own alma mater. I'm proud to belong to the citadel of excellence.
Founded through the vision and dedication of the Very Reverend Father Dennis Joseph Slattery, the school was built on a powerful belief that education can shape character, transform lives, and build a better society. For decades, St. FINBARR'S has raised young men of discipline, leadership, and excellence. And today, that legacy is stepping out boldly into the future. Today, across the world, technology is redefining learning, creativity, and opportunity. And here at St. FINBARR'S, a bold new dream is rising. The DJ Slattery Technical and Innovation Center, a modern learning hub where students will explore coding, artificial intelligence, robotics, and digital innovation. A place where imagination meets technology, and where tomorrow's IT pioneers and AI innovators will begin their journey. And here is the site.
Behold the site of the planned DJ Slattery Technical and Innovation Center. This is where the future of St. FINBARR'S will find expression when the center is built. This innovation center represents the past of St. FINBARR'S College. You may not know this fact, but St. FINBARR'S College was the first secondary educational institution in Nigeria to offer a technical curriculum in 1956 when Father Slattery founded the school. We were the first school in all of Nigeria to offer a technical and vocational curriculum in any school in Nigeria. Not only does this innovation center now represent not just the past, but also the future, because it is in this place where the vocational skills and the technical curriculum of the past, where St. FINBARR'S College became the pioneering institution with the greatest number and of the finest engineers in Nigeria. All of them started out in this school.
Honestly, I feel that when we think about the future, we need to think beyond the regular classroom and textbooks. Students of St. FINBARR'S College have amazing ideas, but they don't have a well-equipped space to explore these ideas. That's why the proposed Innovation Center won't just be another building in the college. It's going to be a launch pad. Here, creativity means problem solving, where students will be able to test their ideas, turn their sketches into prototypes, and also experiment without fear of problems.
Innovation doesn't happen alone. It happens when people come together and collaborate. But now, students of St. FINBARR'S College have different fragile ideas, and they need a place where these ideas can be implemented, and that can be helped by the inclusion of an innovation center.
We are talking about the Technical Innovation Center. The center is expected to cater for skill acquisition because Father Slattery founded this school as a technical grammar school, and he was the first among schools in this country to set up such a school. So in continuation of his efforts, we as a school are going into this project, Father Slattery Innovation Technical Center.
So what we have done here is an agglomeration of all those science-based, arts-based courses, like metal workshop, wood workshop, drawing room, art room, science room, multipurpose halls, and what have you, which is 1,747 square meters. The architects needed to do much harder work to be able to achieve all the things that I just mentioned on this same site.
The future of St. FINBARR'S will find expression when the center is built, and we need your support. Conquerors, we're counting on you to make this a dream come true.
The DJ Slattery Technical and Innovation Center, in honor of the Very Reverend Father Dennis Joseph Slattery, will not only empower students with future-ready digital skills, but also contribute meaningfully to Nigeria's technological growth and economic development. By nurturing young minds in artificial intelligence, robotics and innovation, the center will help produce a new generation of problem solvers, entrepreneurs, and global thinkers equipped to drive national progress. Building on its proud legacy as a foremost pioneer of technical education and innovation, St. Finbarr's College is once again positioning itself among those at the forefront, shaping what the future of IT-driven learning will look like in Nigeria and beyond. We now beckon on the entire St. Finbarr's family worldwide once again, to old students, to friends of the college, to partners and organizations, and to supporters across Nigeria and in the diaspora. Your support can help complete the St. Finbarr's Innovation Center. Support the St. Finbarr's Innovation Center. Come on, let's do it. Support the St. Finbarr's Innovation Center. Support and more support.